Here I have Samsung Galaxy M01 Core, and today I'm going to show you how to check your IMEI number and serial number on this device. So to do this, firstly, the first method, you can just open the phone application, open the keypad on it and enter the secret code, which is *pound 06 pound. And it displays your IMEI 1, IMEI 2 and also the serial number. And the second method, just open settings, then go to the system section, then to the about phone, and here you can find your serial number, IMEI 1 and also the IMEI 2. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.